some people think that they need to have this amazing theme or idea before they even put the pen to the paper. And I am here to tell you, don't do that. The most important thing is to just get started, okay? Themes will develop after you start the process of making. Before I started any of my long-term projects, I have lots of kind of like shorter projects that maybe necessarily didn't grow into a huge project, but I got ideas of what I was going to do for the project, the big project that actually, turned into something large because of, maybe some people would see it as like a failure, but actually that's where I got the idea from. So it's really easy to overthink this, but again, the most important thing to do is just to start drawing. So for example, for my daily drawing project, I had done several projects prior to this big drawing project that was touching on themes of consumption, about the stories behind our objects, why we buy the things that we buy, before I landed upon me making the rule for myself that I was going to draw something that I purchased every single day. And so once I started that project, I still didn't really know what my end game was going to be. And again, that's okay. The important thing is just to start generating piles of drawings, and the themes are going to emerge. And so this daily drawing project that I did, when I finished it, I had almost 3,000 drawings from it, and definitely themes did emerge. And for example, like one theme is like all of the plants that I purchased. Another theme would be all of the food that I ate in Portland. Another theme could be, oh, now we're gonna look at all the drinks, or we're gonna look at all the shoes, or we're gonna look at all of the art supplies that I would purchase over time, or all the coffee that would come from it. And so these little mini collections and mini themes actually would emerge from the bigger theme that was me just documenting my everyday purchases. So again, I want to reiterate, just start drawing and don't stop yourself because you don't feel like you have this really tremendous idea, okay? Those ideas, they come through making. I'm a big fan of thinking through making, and you gotta make in order to come up with your ideas.